Welcome to Talking Football with D. Gitere. How's Chiromo? Okay, says Chiro.
I'm okay, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How did you see the game, Mamamot?
It was okay, except the fact that I didn't win this Bonisa and win challenge, you know. But the game was okay. Orlando Pirates walked away with 2-0. So what is there to complain about, actually?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And who's your man of the match, Mamamot?
Man of the match. Okay, I don't know who I'm going to give it to. But all I would say is the players played really well.
It's a collective.
Yeah, as a collective.
Appreciation.
Yeah.
And score prediction. Again, Saturday. Score predictions. How's it?
Guys, if only one not, ne?
Yes.
You're two not, ne?
Yes.
So, Rao 3 no, maybe Rao 4 not. You know?
Oh,
Yeah, we're skipping. Yeah. we're not-
Ashiro, thank you so much. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok and also YouTube, Talking Football with D. Thank you. Ciao.